Hello everyone. Please go to YouTube Live. People who are joining. We suggest you to go to YouTube Live and watch a live stream from there. You all will be whitelisted. Do not worry. Everybody who is listening to me today is going to be whitelisted. That's my promise. Just stick with us till the end and I'll tell you how. Let's go. So, welcome once again to UK Prime Time. Hope everybody is doing good. And today we are all set to introduce to begin with the learning of the product we have been discussing from past 3 days, and see it is getting quicker also. Earlier for the new products I used to come to Zooms like for a week, for 2 weeks, and now it's getting in days, and the product launch is like days away. So the whole process is becoming quicker, and the tech team is also becoming quicker in terms of bringing the product. All right, so let me find the white paper. Here it is. So I'll start with the product description first, then we will go to the product functionalities, and then I'll give you all the process as to how people will be whitelisted, how will they get access, everything. So let's start. So presenting you all Rift. Rift is routing intelligence futures trading. This is automated AI driven execution protocol for retail crypto stocks and commodities markets. So what we have built is a unified trading protocol that is that works with crypto, that works for stocks, and that works for commodities. You can trade for gold, silver, you can trade with stocks of Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, everything that exists in the market with perpetual trading. That is the whole catch with Hyperliquid. So, and if you all remember from last night's Zoom explanation, it is non-custodial product. It has intelligent automation within the product, and it has one tap execution of trades. You click it and it's done already. Uh, let's look at the performance snapshot. The live test data analysis is not available right now, but you all will have live test analysis once the app goes live for you tomorrow. It has automated trading, AI powered trade automation designed to remove emotional decision making. As I said, the contest will be to lose money faster with this product. We will ask you to lose money and give us your stats, your wallet stats that you lost this much money in this period of time. It will be very difficult for the retail users, traders to lose money on the product. The product is built in such a fashion. Then comes the risk management factor of product. I have been repeating the word risk like couple of hundred times on my Zooms, on my trainings, on my calls recently. It has integrated safeguards designed to protect users during volatile markets. Then comes the execution speed. If we talk about execution speed, we see Hyperliquid, and Hyperliquid has crazy execution speed of 200,000 trades every second. And when it comes to execution speed, we have built this protocol on Hyperliquid, so it is super quick, super fast, and then the community power that is going to enhance with our product, with the automated trading engine, with the fast execution, one tap execution, smart product powered by AI. which is specially built for affiliates and crypto communities which are going to embrace it. So this is the memorandum of the product in 12 parts. I will go in detail one by one. Let's look at the opportunity overview, and most of the things you all understand because last 3 days of training, I gave you the same information in different way in a very disguised manner, and the same thing I'm going to highlight about the product today. So it is a AI-driven execution protocol for retail, crypto, stocks, and commodities markets. Rift simplifies crypto, stocks, and commodities trading by combining AI-assisted automated trading, market intelligence, and risk management into a single execution flow. Instead of navigating complex trading interfaces, users activate intelligent strategies through a streamlined experience designed for modern retail traders. It is built for retail traders, it is built for retail users. This is the platform overview and how platform is built. The core thesis of the product is focused on retail trading, which suffers from two structural problems: complex execution environments and emotional trading decisions. And what we do is we address both the problems. So we offer simplified execution that increases participation, and we offer automation that reduces emotional mistakes that usually retail traders, retail users, they undergo with, they face problems and challenges with. That is the emotional trading or over trading, or um, the dilemma that comes from fear, greed, anxiety, then kind of loss, and then depression due to loss, and then over trading in that anxiety and everything. So the result is more efficient and accessible trading ecosystem that we have shaped together in the name in form of Rift. These are the key indicators we observed during testing. We tested the product with multiple number of traders, professional traders, testers, developers, and we experienced higher user interaction with automated trading strategies that usually traders, users that we tested the app with, they went towards the automated trading strategies rather than manual trading functionalities, and that too is pretty much automatic. Increased execution frequency compared to manual platforms. Then strong community interest in automation assisted trading. These early signals suggest that automation combined with simplified execution can significantly improve trading participation. And that is okay. So this is the vision of the product. We have already discussed about this. Then let's go to the elephant in the room, that's automated trading engine of the product. So product comprises of two things, two streams of trading. One is human centric, where you get to execute the trade. Second one is automated trading engine, where the participation is simplified with the AI based, algorithm powered automated trading engine, which gives you the ability to execute, to put your funds into auto trading, and that brings you results as profits every single day. So let's look at the automation thesis of our product of Rift. Manual trading creates two problems for retail participants: emotional decision making, inconsistent execution discipline, that we discussed for last 3 days. How people lose money, how retail traders they lose money, how they lose interest, and then they go back and you know, look for automated strategies, automated systems to trade with. And then if we compare to the professional traders, the institutional traders, how they always win, how retail traders they always lose. So Rift addresses this through automation assisted trading workflows designed to execute strategies with predefined parameters. So, and with this, even automation does not remove the user control. It enhances consistency by enforcing structured execution rules. When you will see the product, when you will see the product workflow, you will understand how efficient, how automated the manual trading is also with Rift. So manual trading is also very automated, and that is the reason why I will challenge people to lose money, and the competition will be to lose money faster to understand the product or to understand. It will be very difficult for you to lose money on the product. So, how automated trading works? It works with market context processing, the analysis which we were talking about in um, automated institutional trading or structured executed trading. Then there is strategy activation, execution automation. Post that, there is risk safeguards and exit mechanism of the trades that are executed on your behalf with the automation, with the automated trading engine. Now let's understand the difference between automation versus manual trading. Traditional trading requires users to perform multiple steps before executing a trade. So if we compare it to traditional trading, or we compare it to purely manual trading on centralized exchanges, the requirements are to do market analysis, manual order placement, then manual risk configuration, then constant monitoring of the trade that you have executed. If the position is losing, then you put more money and save your position. If you're losing some funds, then you hold your position. Then the anxiety of holding the position again takes you towards placing more trades. And retail users, they think more trades means more money, more profits, but that is not the case, and then the account gets blown away. That is the end result. So Rift reduces the complexity by enabling automation assisted execution through a simplified interaction flow. And the result is faster participation and reduced cognitive overload for users. And why automation matters? It uh, it removes all the insecurities, all the challenges that are faced by retail traders, which are like fear due to market drops, greed during rallies of market, and lack of structured risk discipline that lacks in retail traders. So automation introduces a structured framework that helps maintain consistent trading behavior with our automated trading engine. This improves overall sustainability of trading in participation. Then let's look at the automated trading benefits. Consistency, trade follow predefined logic rather than emotional reactions. Speed, automated execution removes delays associated with manual trading. The moment opportunity comes, offer comes, it is executed by the auto trading engine, and the moment it is executed, then it goes to post trade analysis, and it goes to the exit mechanism of the AI tool that focuses on making exit with you with profit. And that is the whole product in terms of tech specs, how it is built, how it is designed. The whole engine is designed in order to make profits for you, in order to bring profits for you, especially the auto trading engine. Then comes the platform engagement signals. These are not the trade signals I'm talking about. These are the signals that we observed when we engaged with the platform with couple of users. We tested the platform with bunch of users, testers, tech developers. We understood that automation significantly increases user interaction. It So in testing environment, we observed increased trading activity compared to manual trading interfaces. stronger engagement with automated strategies, and higher platform interaction from community driven users. So we ran some campaigns also on trading forums on Reddit where there were traders, and we gave them free access to the product to test our scripts, to test our auto trading engine to them, and they were more inclined towards the auto trading engine. Now let's look at the Rift automation architecture, how we built it. The platform is designed around multi-layer automation framework that we discussed yesterday in detail. Day before yesterday on Friday, I explained how professional traders, institutional traders, they follow the executive architecture of trading. So the platform is designed, the automation architecture is designed in the same fashion. It has strategy intelligence layer which processes market signals and strategy logic. Then comes the execution layer of the product because the execution also matters. The smart execution matters. We took one example of slippage last night where we compared two strategies of execution of the same trade with less and more slippage, and we understood why execution is also important part of trade, how it affects the success rate. So the execution layer, which is built on Python, which is very, you can say, essential element of automation architecture that we have designed, which routes trade through optimized infrastructure. Then there is risk layer associated built over the execution layer, which applies predefined parameters. These parameters include your exit strategy, your price parameters on which how size should be selected. If you put, let's say, $10,000 in the auto trading engine, the risk layer will not trade with your $10,000 at once. It will take um portions of capitals, it will take different sizes of tickets, and it will trade with fragmented amount of liquidity at different intervals of time, at different leverages, and at different scales of multiple trades will be executed. So this risk layer is very, very significant part of auto trading engine that we have built. Then comes the user interaction layer, which gives you the simplified strategy activation for retail participants. These There are three user interaction layer which are built on auto trading engine, and these uh, interaction layers are licenses of subscriptions, three different licenses. On these licenses, you apply your strategy, and there is, okay, good news, there is no limit of AUM or funds that you can put with a particular strategy. You get a license for auto trading engine, and you have no limit from 1 cent to $1 million, no limit to put for the auto trading engine. So on the basis of classification of the licenses, using the interaction layer of auto trading engine, you will not be restricted to put some amount of money, or you will not be restricted with the amount of funds that you can put into auto trading engine. There will be no such restriction. I believe that is clear. And why it matters for the community: higher platform engagement, stronger community participation, scalable adoption through affiliate networks. Then is about me. We don't need to know that. The problem, why retail traders they lose money, the same story that I've been giving you, the same concept that I've been narrating from last 3 days, and the rate and the data, the structural issue that I highlighted in last yesterday's call, everything that I think you all understand. If you guys were there on call or you watched the recording of yesterday's Zoom or day before yesterday's Zoom, then you all know and understand the structural issues that are associated with retail traders. Then the workflow, how accounts get blown away, how retail traders they lose whole money within 6 to 12 months, within 4 months, within 6 to 12 months, maximum 1 year, the accounts get blown away. And why these problems were not solved by education, and the emotional trading problem, which is there, of course, in the retail trading industry: fear, greed, overconfidence, impulsive execution, that all we discussed. Then the workflow problem. This is the fundamental problem, fundamental challenge that is there in the retail trading industry, the workflow issue. There is a lot of n number of chart analysis programs. There are TikTok videos. Again, I'm not trying to criticize Joe here, but yes, n number of TikTokers uh, giving their information. Here's my coin, trade in this, and trading exchanges are there, multiple trading exchanges, Twitter influencers giving you different strategies, different formula, different other approaches, their approaches. They trade at 7 a.m. and they give you strategy at 9 p.m. when they made the profit. And that's like already gone thing. So during this process, important risk parameters are frequently ignored or forgotten. So there are multiple platforms and they cause a lot of confusion, and that's why that causes a huge workflow problem in retail traders, and that's a reason, core reason why retail traders they are always failing in terms of making money, making profits. And why most platforms do not fix this? Because the markets are designed in that structure. Markets are designed in such a fashion that retail users, retail traders must lose money, and platforms they make money, they get their revenue by retail traders coming and going out. Blowing accounts gets blown away, then new chunk of users they come in, then the old ones they get out, more number of users they get in. And that's the whole life cycle of these trading platforms, and that's how they feed on. Then comes the shift towards the automation that we discussed yesterday. From last 3 days, we have been discussing from 2005 how trading industry is shifting towards automation with algorithms, and slowly and gradually, even in fact, in the stock market, in the commodities, in the forex, there is automation, there is intelligent execution systems, algos that are built. Over these algos, the trading is being shifted, and currently, more than 85 to 90% trading strategies are automated, and that's a core reason why professional traders or the uh, the trading houses, hedge funds, they do not fail. Let's discuss about the solution. This is the product DNA of Rift. Rift combines interaction models proven across successful technology platforms. Algorithmic engine of Rift, that is AI-based system that analyzes market signals and identify potential opportunities aligned with trading strategies. The opportunities which align with our trading strategies. That's why I'm saying it will be difficult for you to lose money on Rift, because there will be no window to lose all the money on our platform. There will be window to lose money which is very insignificant per trade. So it will be difficult for you guys to even lose money if we will run the contest of losing money for 24 hours. I tried to lose money today. I managed to lose. Let me see. I started with demo account. I was trading, I was practicing and checking the platform functionalities. Let me check my balance right now. Signed out. Okay. I think I lost like 70 or $80 out of $10,000. I just placed some trades and forgot. So, and those were all random trades and everything was random, but it was very difficult for me. That's why I decided we will run this contest once the demo accounts are going to go live with you all. So, for 24 hours, we'll run trading hackathon in which the people who lose fastest will be the winners and they will be awarded with some gifts and giveaways. Then comes the automated automation infrastructure of Rift that aligns trading strategies, and it can be activated through automated execution systems that simply simplify the participation. Our automated trading infrastructure engine that we have built. Then there is simplified interaction in which the product is built both in human and automated trading engine in both ways. Complex trading processes are reduced into simple user interactions. You just uh, click and the trade is executed. You just cross, the trade is not executed, and the trades are closed within seconds. And I will show you in the platform walkthrough right now after 15 to 20 minutes how trades are executed and how you can close all your positions at once. Structured risk management. The word risk I've been repeating and I will keep on repeating for the whole week also. How we have determined, how we have formulated the risk management in a very structured fashion where risk parameters are embedded within the trading workflow that help prevent unstructured trading behavior. So it will be difficult, again, it will be difficult to lose money on Rift. This is the automated trade structure of the of Rift. There is entry logic, there is risk protection, there is profit targets, then there is strategy conditions, there is risk summary. So I'm telling you, even the manual trading part of Rift is very automated that you will feel like you are running a auto trading ecosystem. And that is also not uh, so manual. Then there is risk summary of the trades that you execute, and then there is exit mechanism that product pushes you to follow. Then there is performance signals, strategy performance metrics that help users to evaluate trading opportunities. So here is the execution workflow of Rift and traditional trading. In general, traditional trading on centralized exchanges or decentralized exchanges, you analyze charts, you calculate the position size, you define stop loss, you place the order, you monitor the position, you adjust the strategy if you're facing loss, then you readjust it, you put more liquidity, you hold the position, you do all that. But on Rift, execution is very seamless. There is automated strategy that appears. This I'm talking about manual trading. This is manual trading execution of Rift. Automated strategy appears in front of you. Then strategy parameters are structured in front of you. Then user activates the strategy. You activate the strategy and system executes your trade. System tells you that this much amount of profit you are going to make with this strategy. You want to go yes, you don't want to go no. As simple as that. So the manual trading is also very automated that it gives you the results, the outcomes even before. And the objective is to reduce the complexity while maintaining the structured trading discipline. With Rift, what we built structured trading discipline in the product with the help of AI tool and with the help of complex application development skills. That is it. Product is not very complex in terms of execution of or in terms of development, it is built over Hyperliquid, which solves half of the problems of scalability, liquidity, availability of opportunities, everything. What we have built is an intelligent artificial intelligence layer that brings you the opportunity and that gives you the structured layout of the understanding of the opportunity, and you just activate the strategy and make money and sleep peacefully. That is it. So it is a human plus automation model. This model, that this execution that we were discussing, is the human model. This is not the automation model that we were discussing. The automation model is very, very simple. You just put money and leave it, it makes you money. Simply. Human model is so seamless that it shows you strategies, you activate the strategy, you make money. System executes the trade, system closes the trade also for you. You don't have to manage the exit also for your trades. Human trading is also automated. Okay. So the Rift follows human in the loop model where automation handles market signal processing, strategy structuring, and execution infrastructure. And the user retains authority over activating the strategy, selecting opportunities, and managing the participation. If you want to exit before the strategy wants you to exit, you can do that. It is a fully in control system with your self custodian wallet. You can do that, but the system also does that for you. So this ensures that a platform remains automation assisted rather than being fully autonomous. It is automation assisted for the users. Human trading part of Rift is so automated that it does everything for you: entry, exit, calculation, risk management, everything is handled by AI before. So you see that you are going to make $4 worth of profit with this trade and you click it. If you don't want to make $4, you skip it. If you go to another trade, another opportunity, you see that this trade is going to make you $2 worth of money. You want to go for it, you go, you execute it, and you place hundreds of such orders, let's say in 1 hour, and you want to go to bed. You want to close all your 100 orders. If even if they are cumulatively, they are making $10 for you and $2 loss, you close all the trades, you sleep. It is as simple as that. This is the human trading aspect of Rift. So, from single trades to automated portfolios. REST automation model I will discuss once the demo version goes live to you and goes it for you, and then we will discuss the automation model. Today, we will not even talk about or show you the automation model. Automation model is very, very simple, no brainer. The future automation capabilities which Rift has, it includes additional automation features designed to enhance trading efficiency. Dynamic position sizing. It gives you the idea of the position size that you should adapt with or you should go for. Then portfolio diversification intelligence. You can trade in crypto once stocks, forex, commodities they go live. You can trade all together everything at once. You place positions of crypto, stocks, forex, commodities, everything in one interface together. There will be no separate strategy. So provided the stock market, the uh, commodities market, the forex market should be open at that particular period of time. So Monday to Friday, whenever the market opens, you will be able to trade in the specified opening hours of the market, because these markets are traditional financial markets. It's not like crypto, it sleeps. Crypto does not sleep, but it sleeps. Then there is automated portfolio rebalancing inside Rift that we are building. It will allow rebalancing based on market conditions. So this is a future development that we are doing on top of the built layer that we have uh, developed and deployed right now. Then this is the platform architecture on which Rift is built. Strategy intelligence layer of Rift. Then there is automation layer of Rift. Over the automation layer, there is execution layer, and then there is portfolio layer, which so you will see your complete portfolio in self-custodial wallet. where the assets will be transferred to your wallet with every trade, and with every liquidation the assets are going to go back liquidated within seconds, and everything happens in milliseconds of time because of hyperliquid. So this architecture enables a scalable automated trading ecosystem which we have built already. The fundamental shift. Now let's go to market opportunity. The huge market opportunity that we are sitting on, and today I'm going to again reiterate the potential that we have with the product. This is the global derivatives market, which grows 16% year on year, which is standing at $846 trillion dollars. And alone crypto derivatives are $85 trillion, out of which 78% are perpetual futures share and 13% are done on DEXs, on decentralized exchanges. And if we straight away go to the serviceable addressable market that we have with Rift, global crypto owners are 741 million on this planet. Then there are 20 to 40 million active derivative traders on this planet. Then people who use mobile first trading overlap is around 65% of this population of active derivative traders. Accessible derivative traders we have is 13 to 26 million, which use mobile native segment of trading. So we are currently sitting on, if we chalk out, if we um, funnelize everything else and we look at the scalable serviceable market we have 4 to 8 million users that we can go to right now to give them a product that is ready to use for them. 4 to 8 million people in the surveys, in the online uh, forums, in the on Reddit, on different platforms, they are asking, they are looking for such platform we have built. So you can reach out to these people as soon as possible and give them access. And how do you give access? Let me finish the walkthrough and then I will explain how fast, how easy it is for you to give the access. This is the global derivatives pool of DEXs. DEX perpetuals alone are 14 trillion, out of which the platforms they make around 5 to 14 billion dollars of fee pool alone. And and I'll just show you how profitable Rift is going to be as a business for us, because this is important for you to know also what you are marketing. The product is going to actually make money itself. This is the accessible fee pool that we are expecting around 630 million to 2.4 billion annually in fee that we are going to collect from users, from traders. And this is going to be derived from serviceable market participation, trading velocity, because it's perpetual trading. If I'll place orders with $500 with 10x leverage, it is going to be, and 10 orders are such that in the whole day I've traded more than $100,000 of volume every single day. And if a person does that three times a day, that's around $300,000 worth of trading volume per person. So it's a huge market. It's a huge industry that we are going to tap into. The retail trading industry is very, very big. This is the platform scale that we are expecting. In the bear case, 200,000 users. In the base case, 500,000 users. In the bull case, 900,000 users. So why now? Four converging forces of us launching it right now in this market condition. Infrastructure maturity of the industry, of the derivative venues that are there. They support institutional grade liquidity and execution, such as hyperliquid. There are there is infrastructure maturity that is available in the market. Then automation threshold, which is AI and automated strategy engines now operate at the production scale. So we are offering you such a threshold for retail users and which is accessible. Then mobile native trading, people love it. It's like game. A large portion of retail traders now access markets primarily through mobile interfaces because it's easy for them to access. Then global asset expansion. As I said, as I gave you the idea yesterday, around 50 to 70,000 new assets, they come into existence every single day. And with these new assets, with these new, uh, you know, cryptos, with these new uh, financial instruments getting into the market, the competition rises. And as the competition rises, the complexities there in finding the right opportunities. And if the tools are there to find the right opportunities, why not to execute trades and make money over them? Let's look at the critical gap in trading platforms that are there in the market. We are going to compare everything when it comes to Rift. So, no existing trading application combines automated trading strategy generation, structured risk management, intelligent position sizing, portfolio automation, one action execution into a single mobile native interface. If we compare it to trading bots, exchanges, brokers, AI tools, DeFi perps, we will find everything in Rift if we compare all these models which are there in market, and the functionalities, capabilities are segregated, are scattered differently in different tools. And that is the core reason why retail traders they lose money, because there are 10 different platforms on which they refer to. So Rift integrates automation, intelligence, and execution in under same roof. Then there is the strategic positioning with automated trading infrastructure, which we are not going to talk about too much today. Once the basic technology layer goes live, then we will talk about the automated trading engine. This is the data feedback system. And don't worry, I'm going to share the white paper with you all right now so that you all, once I finish the explanation, I'm going to share this document with you so you all can read it till tomorrow. So every automated trade executed on Rift through Rift contributes improving multiple parts of the system because it's artificial intelligence backed. It has an intelligence layer, it has a strategy engine, it has a risk framework, it has execution infrastructure. And every single aspect, every single layer fills in with more trades, and the more trades you execute, the better the system is going to turn out to be. It's going to learn, it's going to understand trade outcomes for, and it provides data for analyzing entry efficiency, volatility behavior, stop loss effectiveness, profit capture patterns. Then the strategy engine gets trained with strategy parameters, entry conditions, exit structures, signals reliability. How reliable is the system? How reliable is the volatility in the market? Is bounce back of Bitcoin feasible enough to take a position of short position on Bitcoin or long position of Bitcoin right now? So everything that you execute, every action that you place on Rift is again the learning part, bounces back to the algorithm, which learns and improves with time with every trade. Then the risk framework, which becomes smarter and smarter with every trade that you execute. Position sizing efficiency builds, stop loss placement builds, market volatility exposure gets more intelligent with every trade. Then there is portfolio concentration. Let's say there are 100,000 users on the platform, and Out of 100,000, if 10,000 are trading only with Bitcoin, silver, gold, or stocks of Apple, Tesla only, there is portfolio concentration of few selected particular assets, or you are trading in, let's say there is oil crisis, commodity crisis of various gases, you are trading in few gases, you are trading in few commodities currently. So platform is going to give you diversified uh, suggestions of strategies that it's going to publish for you, that most of the people are trading in this is a huge heavy volatility segment, you should also place a trade, and that would be profitable for you. This is how the behavior of the intelligence layer works. Then there is execution infrastructure that learns and that becomes smart with every order fill pattern, latency behavior of the market, rejection scenario of the market, precision mismatches of the orders that are there. And this I'm talking about the human part, the manual trading part of Rift. Then there is data scale progression of the platform. At current data set, it has several thousand trade outcomes, and we have projected 20,000 active traders within this next 1 to 2 months. I believe this is going to be in about a week. I'm expecting 20,000 active traders on the platform. How crazy it is going to be. And if all these users, they execute 70 automated trades per day, 365 days per year, that is 511 million trades outcomes annually. This data allows the system to refine trading intelligence, execution performance, and portfolio insights at scale. This is how strong the platform is built, and all these trades are going to be on perpetual trading. Most of you are going to put some money and take leverage. Why not? I mean, if you are getting access to take 10x leverage in a click, you will take it. You should take it. And if you're getting a projected profit of $5 to $10 with every trade, $4 to $5 with every trade, you will definitely go for it. So you easily multiply 11 million with, let's say, $500. It's going to be around $2.5 billion worth of trades executed in 1 year. And very, that's a bear case that I'm discussing right now. It can go even beyond, even crazier. We are expecting in the first year of performance 100,000 active traders, then you can calculate. Second year, we are expecting 500,000 active traders. Then coming back to the core infrastructure layers of Rift, it operates through six interconnected technology layers on which it is built. Intelligent layer, intelligence layer, strategy layer, risk framework, validation layer, execution layer, then portfolio intelligence layer on which it manages, monitors the portfolio exposure that you have executed trades for. This is the manual human part of Rift. Together, these layers create comprehensive automated trading infrastructure. So, after you learn and understand the whole reason why I'm pushing the demo trading version live first is to gather data and give you understanding as to how automated trading engine is going to work. You'll have first hand experience of the tool, the understanding how trades are working, the understanding as to how profits are booked, how opportunities, how strategies are mentioned in front of you, and you are acting and reacting on the strategies. And that's when you will understand how the automated trading engine is going to work and how it's working. And then comes the automation workflow of tool, how it works. So altogether different from the traditional workflow patterns on Binance, on Bybit, on MEXC, on different centralized exchanges, on different decentralized exchanges. It is entirely automated. There is huge. There is a very strict trading discipline which Rift follows. Then comes the biggest challenge that we have faced in the industry, that is the scalability of the product. The platform architecture is designed to scale alongside trading activity. Key scalable factors include modular automation engine, distributed data processing, adaptable execution infrastructure, and expanding venue integrations. As trading volume increases, the platform's intelligence systems improve through larger datasets and continuous learning system. Then future infrastructure expansion of Rift includes the advanced portfolio intelligence, dynamic risk calibration with particular trades, and cross-venue execution. It will have integration with multiple derivatives apart from hyperliquid, and it will have different uh, liquidity access venues to get more access to bigger and more diversified liquidity. Then automated portfolio rebalancing. Automated portfolio rebalancing is still there at a certain level, and you will observe it once you will use the product from morning. So the capabilities of Rift will transform into a fully automated trading infrastructure. This is the technology objective of Risk. The objective of Rift is to simplify participation in complex markets through structured automation and scalable infrastructure. The most important aspect that we carefully looked upon was the scalability part of Rift, and that was pretty much 99% solved by Hyperliquid, development on Hyperliquid, and rest of the layers we built in the AI tool in such a fashion that it can hold and it can withstand millions of users at the same time. Then comes the competitive landscape. So, if we look at the trading industry problem, India ranks top in retail traders losing money. 91% of the retail traders they lose money. Then we have Brazil, also 97% of the retail traders they lose money. Take a screenshot of this data where you have to recruit more. In EU, there are 74 to 89% retail trader loss rate. Then in UK, 69 to 82% retail traders they lose. Australia around 72% is the rate. Despite of the regulatory interventions such as warnings, education programs, leverage restrictions, disclosures, these money traders they lose money. So Rift addresses this gap by integrating automation and structured trading workflows. And these sources are official sources uh, of ASIC Australia, SEBI in India, FCA, ESMA, CVM Brazil. Now let's look at the competitive terrain of Rift. We have compared the product with existing tools which are there in the market. This pitch deck, this portfolio is going to compare everything A to Z which is there in the market. Initially, first of all, our platform is an automated trading platform. So no such platform was there in the market which allowed automated trading engine along with manual execution of trade. There were some tools which were also non-custodial like Hyperliquid and DYDX, which do not offer automated trading engine. What we do, they offer just the execution or decentralized derivatives on which there are fast trading accesses on Telegram bots. But when we compared with different other models, even with Binance, Bybit, OKX, centralized exchanges in which the custody is not yours, we were kind of at the edge. So we can freely compare Rift with Telegram trading bots, DeFi perpetual protocols, AI trading tools. centralized exchanges, retail brokers which are there in market. Everything can be compared, everything can be, gauged and measured. And these sources are also official information sources, CoinGecko, DeFi Llama, company filings. Then comes Rift, core differentiators of Rift. Automated trading intelligence system generates structured trading strategies based on market signals. Then integrated execution, structured risk framework, portfolio intelligence, human controlled automation. Automation assists trading decisions while users retain control over strategy activation. Then structural barriers by competitor strategy. Let's look at each competitor category. Uh, if we compare Rift with Telegram bots, DeFi protocols, AI tools, centralized exchanges, and brokers, we will see the capabilities of Rift which it provides and which are again scattered and available in 10 different platforms at a separate level. So, in automated strategies, in execution infrastructure, in structured workflows, in portfolio intelligence, in mobile first trading, in non custodial infrastructure, you will find Rift checking into every aspect which is required for structured, systematic trading infrastructure. Then the empty quadrant, in which execution focused platforms and analysis focused platforms they work. So, and very few platforms combine execution infrastructure with automated strategy intelligence. Rift is designed specially for this intersection. And as I said, I will repeat again, our human trading part, our manual trading part is automated enough that you just have to look at the information card and see which one is enticing and go with that trade or do not go with that trade. Simple as that. Then we look at the positioning in the market of Telegram bots, centralized exchanges, retail brokers, signal platforms, DeFi derivative protocols. Rift occupies the intersection of automation, execution, and structured trading workflows all at once. Then the industry dynamics. Rift focuses on automation assisted trading participation, which shifts the platform design philosophy. Rather than optimizing the pure trading speed, Rift optimizes the structured strategy execution. What we have done is overall we brought discipline into trading with a tool. The protocol focuses more on discipline. Then potential competitor responses. This all you all can read. I will drop the white paper right away after the explanation. Strategic advantages of Rift, the automation intelligence, the execution infrastructure, portfolio level trading insights. Industry evolution. Let's go to platform economics. Okay. So Rift charges you 0.1%, 10 basis point of the builder fee, or you can say platform fee for trade that you execute. And generally, Telegram trading bots, automated trading bots, they charge 0.5 to 1% of trading fee, or you can say builder fee, or you can say platform fee. We charge just 0.1%, and the platform is gas free. So, and we have given you the revenue formula also, how we make money as a platform. What are the average revenue per user drivers for us? You can read everything, how we calculate unit economics, and what year on year user growth we have projected at scale. Year one, we are predicting to have 50,000 users. This year, 2026, 2,750K users, 27, 28, 500K users. Key model considerations, the automation advantage that we have. Then let's look at the global growth strategy that we have with Rift. Community driven distribution and internal expansion. Let me go to the. So I don't need to explain how community is built, grown. I'm sitting with the mafias of building the community. Yeah. So yeah, can't teach you all how to build the community. Risk and compliance framework of Rift. Automated risk safeguards, transparent trade execution, clear user consent and control, compliance aware platform design, automated risk safeguards. There is predefined risk parameters. You cannot lose money more than the stop loss which platform has predicted for you. Automated position management, which Drift uh, gives you, which Rift, enforces, or I would say, places for you as a platform and suggests you to apply. Then there is exposure monitoring of the real-time tracking of the portfolio's risk exposure, and you can determine, you can see the whole portfolio's risk and the balancing of the risk also you can formulate and you can monitor. Transparent execution, clear trade confirmation process, transparent fee structure. There is no gas fee, there is just platform fee that we charge for every trade that you execute. And then there is complete transaction records, verifiable execution history of trades that you execute. Then there is more risk management of platform that we areas that we focus on: infrastructure security, trading system reliability, user protection mechanisms, operational transparency. Well, it's self-custodial wallet. You will get to extract the private keys of the wallet. That means it's your keys, your crypto. Whatever funds you have in the wallet are yours and the keys are with you. So you control the funds. Then long-term sustainability of the product, responsible trading practices, long-term ecosystem health, regulatory awareness, user protection. Then strategic advantage of Rift, stronger platform credibility, improved long-term resilience, regulatory adaptability. If we will face any kind of regulatory requirement, we will be honoring that and will be ensuring that the regulatory principles, new rules and laws will be followed. Higher user trust. We are anyway going to use USDC for Rift in deposits and in payouts that you will be able to put in your self-custodial wallets. So USDC is everywhere uniformly accepted, and it follows the compliance framework of MiCA. It follows CBDC rules in throughout the whole globe. Integrated compliance layers which are there inside Rift. Then again, the community opportunity, 3FO community opportunity that we have. And Rift is designed to scale through global affiliate and community ecosystem of 3FO, and 3FO will have exclusive rights to distribute Rift. There will be no other platform that will offer the automated trading engine subscriptions rather than 3FO. So you all will have direct uh, exclusive selling rights of automated trading engine that we have built inside Rift. The community opportunity, then incentives, those are there already on 3FO that we will discuss before Friday, hopefully. When a platform goes live tomorrow, you start trading, you learn everything. Then we will discuss about subscription, about how it is going to be, everything later. The goal is to first launch the product and give you the access, and then we discuss everything together. Then this is the end of the memorandum. Now let's go to the product walkthrough. Are you all ready? Perfect.
Yes, yes, we are ready.
Mhm. This time we did all the homework before.
How about lots of
Chavez.
hearts and thumbs ups and things? Let's see how many people are ready for the walkthrough.
Wow. I think everyone's ready.
Mhm.
And I think your statistics, Chavez, for the UK of 69 to 82% losing trades. I think that's just my statistics, let alone everybody else in the UK. That's just my statistics.
All right. So now I'm going to show you the interface of the product, how you are going to trade, how you are going to see the product, what you will see first when you will open your demo account, what functionalities, how do you trade, how do you close your trade, everything at once. So I'm training you before launching the product, with the product. So these are the platform functionalities. A
Sorry,
small.
Chavez. Sorry, just one. This isn't the time for questions, please, ladies and gents. Chavez is
Mhm.
going to give us a walkthrough. Everybody wants to be paying attention to the walkthrough. So please refrain from putting your hands up. And if Chavez wants to take Q&A, he'll do that afterwards. Thank you. Continue, Chavez.
Okay. First part will be to how to log in. Login part into the tool. So this is a Telegram mini app. This is an app that works on Telegram, TMA. You can add
Okay.
this app onto your browser. It will work like a mobile application, just like every progressive web app. So it works inside Telegram and it only works in mobile phones. It does not work on PCs. You log in with the magic link. It You get a link onto your email. And once you confirm, you generate your private keys. You put your private keys and you sign in. So you don't have to lose your private keys. You have to remember. If you lose your private keys, then you cannot log in again to the apps. Make sure you copy paste or write it somewhere and keep it with you. Otherwise, it will be a challenge for you to find the private keys. There will be no other way to extract the private keys. Once you log in with the magic link, you will receive a $10,000 worth of demo trading account, which will enable you to experience the automated trading functionality before committing capital. And this is the trade opportunity cards that you will see. So over every card, you will see potential profit. If you want to trade, you click on trade or you swipe right, like the girl you want to meet or the boy you want to meet, or you swipe left and you just, let them go away. And once you do that, your trade will be placed instantly within milliseconds. You don't have to wait for the execution. You will see key asset pair, you will see trade direction, you will see risk strategy, you will see expected return profile, you will see execution status of the trade. You guys can take a screenshot for tomorrow if you want to take for tomorrow, or I can send this document in the group so that everybody can circulate this for tomorrow. Let me first drop the white paper link. Mm. Okay, did you guys get it?
Yes.
deck.riftprotocol.ai.
Yeah.
Perfect. So these are the opportunity cards or the strategies that I was talking about that you will trade with. This is human trading I'm talking about. This is not automated trading engine. In human trading, you just have to click when you see potential profit and execute. And when you see profits have achieved, then your trade will automatically be closed. The profit will be realized automatically. You don't have to manually close your position even. And even the losses, I will show you it. And then there is lightning mode in the app, which gives you instant trade execution with leverage. So there is default leverage which you can set up to 10x with default spend. Let's say you have $10,000 in your wallet and you set every trade at $100 with leverage of 3x. So you keep on clicking the trades, you execute 100 trades with 3x leverage in 10 seconds or 1 minute, no problem. That's the lightning mode on the product, which gives you ability to trade very, very fast. It is designed to accelerate trade execution by allowing users to place trades instantly without opening the detailed trade drawer. So you don't have to go check the opportunity. If you want to just quickly trade, you do it with lightning mode. And you can set your default capital allocation, default spend per trade, and leverage also per trade. Then you will have a demo account that will be assigned to you with $10,000 trading limit, and you can reset it also. But first day competition will be not to reset the trading limit of 10,000 but to come after losing whole money. See, we traded this must be some tester who traded and they lost $108 after a lot of trades. We will see how many trades they placed. Then there is high risk mode in the app, which allows traders to increase the profit and loss range of a trade by applying multiplier to the take profit and stop loss level. So in every trade, there is take profit and stop loss. Whenever you place a trade, there's a limit of money which you can lose. There's a limit of money which you can make. Above that, the trade is closed. Either it hits stop loss or take profit, the trade is closed. As simple as that. No logic, no brainer in that. You see an opportunity, you see here, you can potentially make $4. If you will lose, let's say at stop loss 0.90, your trade will be already closed, automatically be closed. The app restricts you to lose money. This is the functionality of the app. Then after high risk mode, you see you have automated trading engine, which I'm not going to talk too much about today. First, you use the demo mode, you learn, understand how Rift works. Then we will talk about automated trading engine, how it works, how it does risk management, how it does optimized routing of the trades. Then we have filters of various trading directions, long, short. Then we have asset types. Currently, we are live with crypto. We are not live with stocks, commodities, and forex. But very soon, I believe within April itself, we will be live with stocks, commodities, and forex as well, so that you'll be able to trade in crypto, stocks, forex, commodities all at once at the same time with the same funds with the same amount of uh, you know leverage like this. You can also borrow up to 10x leverage while trading stocks, while trading uh, commodities, while trading forex. Then there is card indicators of different indicators that are available on dexes: RSI, MA, MACD, ADX, BB. Then there is portfolio section in which you will the assets that you are going to trade with, the trades which are active, trades which are closed, and as I said, there is force close all trade feature uh, yesterday. With portfolio section, you can track active trades, trade history, you can monitor account balance, profit and loss. There will be P&L here, there will be ROI here, there will be number of trades here. The portfolio dashboard provides real-time insights into how users' capital is being deployed within the platform. This helps traders maintain visibility into their positions and manage their trading activity efficiently. Then there is closing trade. So as I said, there are 2 points with which trade is placed. When you place a trade, there will be 2 points. One will be stop loss, one will be take profit. The moment your trade goes to take profit, it will be closed with the profit. The moment it reaches to the stop loss, it will be closed with the loss. And if you want to force closes before it hits stop loss or take profit, you can do that as well. But it will show you that you have 50 cents of unrealized profit or $1 of unrealized profit, or 10 trades that are making you money, 5 trades that are losing your money. Both will be shown, and you can do that according to your wish. Distance to stop loss and distance to take profit will both be shown here. An unrealized P&L will be shown so that you can force close the particular trade. Then you will have ability to close all the trades. Let's say you are going to bed, you don't want to go to bed with stress. You have 9 active positions open, in which 3 are winning, 6 are losing, but then also you are making $2. You close it and sleep peacefully, not a problem. Then there is leaderboard of all the traders that are there on the platform. You see the insights, transaction hashes, the um, trades which are placed. Then there are settings inside the dashboard interface mode. There is light mode, dark mode, there is security setting, there is notification preferences. You have to keep your notifications on Telegram to receive push notifications of the trades that will be automatically closed, because the stop loss and take profit will hit automatically. If stop loss hits, then the trade will be closed. If take profit hits, then the trade will be closed. If it is projecting you $4 worth of profit, if you receive $4, the trade will be automatically closed by sending you $4. The $4 will arrive in your wallet and the trade will automatically be closed. As simple as that. Then current stage, we are supporting cryptocurrency trading only. Then we are expanding with forex, global stocks, commodities, all of them. So this is how simple Rift is. This is how uh, exceptional and how user friendly it is. You just click, 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 execute the trade, and let your funds do the job in automated trading engine. I will not talk about automated trading engine today. I will talk about it starting from Friday, when we learn and understand the whole product first. So the goal is to understand and deeply learn about what the product does, how it does it, everything, and then we talk about the subscription model, or even we touch at the automated trading engine. So that is it. and everybody who attended the call today is going to be whitelisted because the product is of free access to everyone. Nobody needs to go to nobody has to fill any form, nobody has to go to any upline. You can go and access the product as it is. Just create a magic link, go to the put your email, you can access the product. Everybody infinite number of times will get demo trading limit of $10,000. No restrictions for the product use. In fact, after the launch, there will be no fee to access the product. The access will be absolutely free of cost. Only you have to pay the platform fee 0.1% per trade, and the product is absolutely gas free. There will be no gas fee that will be applied on the product. There will be no deduction, hidden deduction of your balances while trading. And I have shown you the manual trading part in this PDF that I shared with you. This is the manual trading part in which you will see this much profit I'm making, and the Rift is automatically closing your trade on profit and on stop loss both. So the manual trading, the human part is so automatic that it does half of the job for you. You just have to identify and see what profit you want to make, what position you want to place, long or short, uh, which asset you want to trade with, and the amount. That's it. Nothing else. Rest everything is automated, is being done by the app itself. And after we learn all that, we understand everything, we will talk about the automated trading engine post that. I believe you all had limited or understanding of the product that I shared. I believe tomorrow, when you will get your hands on it, it will be more, uh, you will be able to connect more with it, and you will be able to understand what I explained. And especially the risk part of the product will be more understandable from tomorrow, because it will be difficult for you to lose money on the tool, because you will see stop loss hitting with some orders and you will close it. I freaking made $1,081 in the demo trading version in, I believe, 6 to 7 hours. I was just playing with the trades. Long, short, three long, three short, like that. I was doing some games, three long, three short with $500, and I was just creating a strategy just to lose money. And I made money. It's crazy. Everything is built already, and forex, commodities, stocks, everything is already supported by Hyperliquid. So we don't have to build another layer of execution for all these different other asset types. We just have to use the same integration, put some more APIs, and actually it is going to take some more time because crypto was easier in terms of execution. That's why we built it. And I so wanted to push the product live first with the crypto so that you all can start using it. That is it, folks. Thank you so much for joining.